Hello everyone, this is Matt from Real World Review, and today we're going to be unboxing the Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro XL. Yes, we have two phones. Of course, you clicked on the video so you know that. Either way, let's check out the 9. On the front, we can see it's a little bit scratched, but it shows a pixel of the 9, and then on the side it says Google Pixel 9, and on the top it has a Google logo, and then on the bottom it tells you all the barcodes, for the SKU number, IMEI, and etc. Then on the back, again, it has some scratches, but it tells you Google Pixel 9, how many gigabytes, which type of 5G you got, and what color it is. It also tells you what's in the box, but so will this video. Then for the Pixel 9 Pro XL, you have a picture of the Pixel 9 Pro XL. On the side, it says Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. Then on the top, same thing, Google logo. Bottom has all the barcodes for the IMEI and SKU. Then on the back, of course, it's the same thing. It tells you what phone you have, the 5G, gigabytes, and color, as well as what comes in the box. Then there's these little pull tabs, which it's really easy to get scammed by because as you can see, I'm not adding any heat or anything like that, but I'm literally able to just remove this and stick it back on with no issue. So if you're going to buy this phone sealed in the box, make sure you open it up before you pay for it, if you're buying it locally. Obviously, if you buy it online, you probably want to record yourself unboxing this phone. Phone scamming is pretty easy to do nowadays. But either way, let's pull off the tabs on the Pixel 9. And let's pull off the tabs on the Pixel 9 Pro XL. And I don't know why, but I thought that the tabs were going to be a different size, but it looks like they're the same size. Then we'll open the box for the Pixel 9, kind of figure out how to slide this thing off. It's a very weird way to open up these boxes this year. There's no side pull tab and just lift. It's like this. And then when you do take it out of the box, it has this outline of the phone. It's a very interesting design. I don't know why they chose that, but I guess this is their new thing to be more recycle friendly. I don't know. But either way, here's the phone. Here is the Pixel 9. And we're kind of going to stop it there because I already have the Pixel 9 out here, so I might as well just show you that phone. But I'm going to focus more on that phone in the review, obviously, just like the Pixel 9 Pro XL that I'm going to review as well. Either way, in the box, we get the USB-C charging cable, and that's it. Actually, no, on the top of this box, we get this little safety information, blah, 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 all that paperwork, and then a SIM card ejector. So, yeah, essentially all we get is just the cable in the box. There's one thing that's missing, and at the end of the video, I'll show you, but let me know what you think it is in the comments. I hate that I just said that. Either way, let's put that to the side and let's check out the 9 Pro XL. So this one I got is the hazel version. The other one is the obsidian, obviously, which is black. But the hazel version, which is kind of like this olive green, I don't know how to explain it, but it looks pretty nice. And then same thing, you get the charging cable and then this little pamphlet and a SIM card ejector. Yeah, that's it. Even on the 9 Pro XL, even when you spend more money on a phone, you get essentially the same thing. But let's put away these boxes and we can watch the 9 kind of slide away. I don't know why that's doing that, but on the 9 Pro XL, it's staying in place. I don't get that. But as you can see on the 9, you have the matte finish. So the sides are going to be a matte aluminum, while on the Pro XL, it's going to be a shiny aluminum. And I kind of wish that it had a matte finish on it, but I don't know. I guess maybe next year. Who knows? There's not really much going on. You got the SIM tray on the bottom and speaker. You got the little, antenna bands on the side and 5G ultra wideband antenna on the top, and you can actually see that the little microphone is where the glass is now. It's not separate or anything. I'm not sure if they did that on the 8. Either way, the matte back is on the Pros and the glossy back is on the 9, which is kind of weird. But either way, let's press these shiny and matte buttons and power the phone on. And it took a while and it's kind of hard to see, but it looks like the 9 was actually slightly faster than the 9 Pro XL. But that's pretty much the end of the 9 because I am just going to show you the 9 Pro XL. I'm not going to show you the regular 9 because I already have the 9 right here. Either way, I'll skip through the setup, and I'm not going to set up my fingerprint scanner because I've already done it on the 9. So here's the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, which is funny because before I did this, it didn't work, and when I'm showing you now, it still doesn't work. So yeah, it's not really the best. I don't know why people were freaking out over it. The ultrasonic fingerprint scanners aren't as good as the optical ones, and for some reason the optical ones on the Pixels weren't really that good either. So yeah, as always, I'm going to rely on Face Unlock. But either way, here is the phone, and we're going to set the brightness all the way up. It looks different. I don't know if it's because I have the lights on, but it doesn't look as bright as the 9 for some reason. Either way, here's the thermometer. We'll just skip through this. I don't know if you noticed that it still has a Pixel 8 Pro as the picture. But yeah, we'll check my temperature, I guess. It's not really that good. 93.6. I highly doubt I'm that cold. Let me try it again. Yeah, 93.6. I don't know if there's something wrong with it. I don't know if I'm doing this wrong, or maybe it needs an update to measure accurately, but yeah, it's kind of interesting. Now let's check out the camera, which does have the normal cameras that the 9 has, but it also has the 5x zoom, as well as the 50 megapixel option being able to switch. Obviously on the 9, it's still 50 megapixels, you just don't get that option to switch to that. Another thing that's kind of confusing is that you get video boost for 8K video, but there's no option for 8K video. So I don't know what that means. And when you record video, you can see I'm actually recording 4K with video boost. But then when I go to check it, it actually shows that it was recording at 1080p, which is not 4K last time I checked. I don't really know what's going on with that. But another thing is, since this is the Pro, we get the 1440p display, which is, or not really 1440p, but it's essentially like a 2K display. So we can turn that feature on because by default it's set to 1080p. But it might look a little bit better and drain more battery life, but if that's what it comes with, then that's what it should be rated for. But either way, that was the unboxing and a little preview of the phone. I am going to be doing a review definitely on the 9 and on the 9 Pro XL. I'm going to see if I can get a 9 Pro, because honestly, after looking at the 9 Pro XL, I kind of want to get a 9 Pro. I don't really like the big phone. I just got the big phone because it had the 5x zoom or 4x zoom or whatever, you know, it had the telephoto sensor. But this time I think I'm going to go with the 9 Pro, and I don't know. We'll see when I get one of those. But that's pretty much the unboxing for the Google Pixel 9 and the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I do actually have one little thing. Remember I said that it was missing out of the box. I actually do have one more thing I want to show you, and that is this. In my Pixel 7 Pro box, I still got everything in here, but the most important thing that I have is this little adapter. It's a USB-A to USB-C adapter that Google has put in every single phone, I think from the original Pixel all the way up to the Pixel 8a. Meaning that the Pixel 9 series is the first Pixel phone that does not have that adapter in the box. I think even when they were doing Nexuses, I think on the Nexus 5X and Nexus 6P, they had this in the box. Actually, I think I have a 5X box here somewhere, so I might splice that in or put a note, something, you know, explaining what's in there. But either way, yeah, I find that kind of interesting that they did this for over 8 years and then finally said everyone switched to USB-C. But either way, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and join the 1% if you haven't. And as always, thanks for watching.